Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Power Bongabra. Apia Stadio. Se obedi President Nana Akufo-Addo atama. Me de no anyama asem. Was wonya kwala. Ndi se obedi dipenyin atama. Wo so wo ba. De no de anyama asem. Ba se obeka se wanye hwe wa mbɔ brade. Mesro ene yifrum. Nanu ya. Hwedan kakraka we asi wo no. Finance Minister. Nanu no tukotenam. Ona wa to force. Kireme adwuma endi sia ye no okuro we mu aye ti se dan we e okuro mu ha. Eno na ye de he. We so e da ha no. Eno so ye Bank of Ghana dan foforo na na do asi. Ne tie se Ghana e be gina NPP aban. E be chichiri Ghana yi a NPP aban. Sanhwe de atwagu ho no. Asanso bo acha wo se wa anya hwea ma Asante man no enya no kore. Asanso bo achi eba just 4 years as a Minister of Road and Highways. Hwebantama town roads. Na wo ka se wa anya hwea ma Asante man a abade asam na wo pese wo ka. Se enye Ghana for ena amfa NPP aban ama NPP aban antoa so a anka Suame Interchange anka by now anka yenwie ye kura anka ba bia duru de anka yi traffic na firi honom wa anka sa woni menu ho asem ndi se wo ne obi ebe ye personal issue bia fine but se obaka se o ma anya hwia ma Ghana ana o ma anya hwia ma Asante man no enye no kure ke agenda 111 hospital dudu wa sen ene o sini wa Asante man mu hospital dudu wa sen ene sini wa Ghana ha di se obaka sa asaso ba cha anya hwia ma Asante man a wonim se enya no kure mo minister sa o ma be road and highways no kire me dudu wa ba ko pe a ne kurom waye no kurom yi ti se asaso ba che ebi ni ho kire me na do adwuma obepo ye anya dan awo wa fa sibi wa ko free education wo se na do ambobra anya dan drip machine agwi wo mantam kwan so wo se na do ambobra anya dan ambulance na do krabae no afa onipa bi akọ hospital wo se na do ambobra anya dan drone na do de bae no e dia drone free baby aba be save onipa life ana ye bi awa ankasa nso na wo se na do ambobra na wasanya daji didi na tempeni mu we na wo didi na tem meme de no de nya masem so se me ma no betra panyin de me bon pa se no de bimba makwa mu kurada ndi se wo de wo be ya ye wo case no na mom NPP aban bra wa bo no NDC embo obi da se wo be kire me ni tema wo di NDC achi a eye se wo salutu manfo na mo ma osika ana mo cha ojapade asa and to say, won't mean for NDC Ajuma and
Abuja, this useless NDC government. Kiona etabain, Abu Treka abain, Ebono abain, Omas Kame tertiary students, Obo Ghana, and as if and see, almost all the public tertiary institutions across Ghana, increase your school fees astronomically. Now, Oshele go now, increase your school fees by 25%, and who be 25%. That is staggering. Obi amose dollar abafom. Eba ne say na mu increase school fees. Obi amose sami jenfi ni gold board. Sika wodi every amono ne aba Ghana chese. Enya asem ketwa. Nti aba no hia school fees into mu de ayeden. Obi amu ye campaign 2024. Na mo say mo de mo ba dia school fees tua ebe stress free. Nti mu kra mu be tua eye student school fees amom. Eba ne say na mu to school fees bu. Now you see this NDC government says a fracadam. Scamming pa say yes scamming crofo. Say en fa ya non fi fan crofo ho ne yes scamming oh. Unye NDC aban everywhere unye obia. Now you see ni nti a wo ma tu eye school fees mu a ebe bu a wo fu ko mu nya abotre ne tie ne yim. NDC party we a wo wa aban mu. So wo mo do mo sabanku ma wade ba ko a. No mo do mo nsanifa echi ade be 20 billion every wunsem. Mo be kai last year on we implement say policy be almost your friend no fee stress. Enti wo a wo tertiary institution foforo ye betua wo school fees ni bi ama. Meanwhile in 2024 mo promise yes mo betua wo sika nyina wo school fees nyina for first year nyina ama wo. But the we ase no omo reimburse students no just 20% of omo school fees. Now tie ni ye. Sa sika na omo tua ma ama na mani age ukotua wo school fees na ye sign send 20% ma wa na wani age aha. Eno na omo ba beje ne back no. And when I 25% nti last year almost 20% in our back. This year almost increasing by 25%. Almost do musika back. Now you see almost be remove from almost crown or mass and mobile. Osha public universities now KNUST, Legon, UCC deliberately abino asheda afa students ni nyina under fee paying. Ya nyomo regular students. Na yeka so be a fee paying student as a training say. Wo school fees na utua no. E was so pansin ne o regular students ni utua. Inti regular students e tua be e bia 4,000 Ghana cedis. Wo a we under fee paying no. Utua be 7,000 8,000 Ghana cedis. Na ni enti omo yes ane say because so my promises say and no stress fee policy omo be ma sikani bi omo betua o school fees ni binom. Omo said that the amount to fee paying so that the amount of money that you will pay will make up for sa sikana omo so omo de bema wono. Inti ordinarily we a student we a regular student so we tua be 4,000 but because say we a fee paying we tua 8,000 Ghana cedis. 8,000 Ghana cedis no much as say how much that and reimburse 20% of it. And the actual money nankasa no mu here free which is 4,000. What ya mana broso? What ya mana broso nti frakadam chere say krono and dada scamming pana and this ya buying scamming tertiary students are omo Ghana na wo for mo mama ni nda hodom. Ube wu say omo den collect to fee paying mutual school fees akese. Mutual school fees in area. Later part in the year, no ma sheda reimburse mo 20% of sikana mutual na mani age. Mo se aban na ye bibi debi. Aban na nye hwe. Mo musika mutual ma na broso. Ana wayi wapone ho kakra bi ana wode ma wo. Na yesi ye wo mamu ana musi se de sika aba man ni mu sika sami je mfidi aba. Dollar wo form fuel prices ko form. Eba ne sen ana ya bo kosoro including school fees.
We are going to fail. Obiba now because na sister Ellen, I'm glad you are here. Start dear we debia ya kan near the anwa brobroso near jai near the anwa brobroso and untiama preko bia sorry now I find the panel the next simple so not the enemy near kikase ya hoso that's just to destroy people. It's about time when the campaign of Samira, the campaign of Baumia himself need to start knowing. Say there are certain things you need to take action. Certain people need to be used as an example. Haja Samira, if you are listening to me, mommy, fire. And yet now you have to be the bigger person. Forget being the bigger person when you are being killed. Being the bigger person that is soiling you, that is destroying you, that is not being the bigger person. Because you be the bigger person and the lies they told about you and the nasty things they said about you is going to stick in somebody's brain. Muwe busiem. Sahaja Samira name to me, Senukulu name to me. You people have family. Don't be a next Nanado family. Don't be Dankwa family. Some family no. Oforiata family no. Don't be that family. That family can't fight. They don't fight. And that is why regardless of the work His Excellency Nanado Beye, we still want to paint him say he's the worst president we have ever had because Yakan Samutun Eswa, Yenko Yano, Yanchi Obiason Fahon. Your Excellency, Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, if your family members are listening, don't be a Nanado family. That is a family that does not fight. You can say all you want to say about them, and they will still be in their suit and tie and sit in one side. That is what works for them. Because in question, someone you can find another home. And you're my bonny, you're the year nanado. Sanky, you to me chain back, crack, or see every regional court to chain us so. You to me chair, boo, every credit regional magistrate court to cram and you could them 1 week. And can you say, Nanado, crazy, you sit in the sun of great free. Yes, I will not be boss me. And you go for to me, see that. Over Cockrabbe, be almost 10 years and Yadikatwa. A free 1992 Eba, NPP and DC, up play the minds of cocoa farmers. Yeah? Yesusana model of funding, Yadito cocoa, banks form a consortium. Local banks, a form of consortium. September, be a next Cameroon backroom, as I make a beginning, is cocoa scaba. And a more pecron bunty. Obia no Yakotwa Diamano was a mecon rock or jabble salam the cocoa na collateralizing. A dear business idea pan and penful women. Say a quadri syndicated loan. Na the auto cocoa no what is that? The almost a patek and a phone say to say me about we. Now why a friend was one warrior now I'll call Obama was say Minia or some warrior into Warame. No family at the open. Wabra, you bet my rages can will chroma. A friend of mine, my back say a reform so more, a reform so no, ye babe a local bonds. And I mean, and you know, when what shut down one said cocoa industry. Okay? Send this for man, say, as some way, I created a scar in the minds and the hearts of the cocoa farmers. So, be a quadrabusian, say, me control me cocoa, many 3,000 something. Ama, any paro, what you cocoa for cry collateral. So, nim a busia cocoa for Bubono, underground, your friend are bad out. Come on, tra, and cra, and yet the more yano, a be implementing, a be implements a 3/4. Yeah? Easy Jiboka. The mama will say, Jump for 1 CD and 2.